Are you struggling to achieve your fitness goals or wondering how to make your workouts more effective? It's a common question, and the answer often lies in the structure of your exercise routine. A well-crafted routine is like a roadmap to your fitness goals. It provides a clear path outlining what you need to do and when to do it. This structure eliminates guesswork, enabling you to focus on what matters most, the workout itself. An effective routine is not one size fits all. It should cater to your individual needs. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, build muscle, or improve endurance. It combines various types of exercises, such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility workouts, to ensure a holistic approach to fitness. A structured routine also allows for consistent progress tracking. It's easier to measure improvements, make necessary adjustments, and celebrate milestones when you have a concrete plan. Stay tuned as we dive into a comprehensive exercise routine designed to help you reach your fitness goals. Now it's time to unveil our ultimate exercise routine. This plan is a blend of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises designed to work your entire body and keep your workouts varied and exciting. Let's start with cardio. A great option is a high-intensity interval training or HIIT session. This might include running or cycling at a high intensity for 30 seconds, then slowing down for a minute, and repeating this pattern for about 15 minutes. HIIT is fantastic for boosting your heart rate and improving cardiovascular health. Next, we move on to strength training. Here we'll incorporate compound exercises which work multiple muscle groups at once. An example is the deadlift. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps, resting for 1 to 2 minutes between sets. This exercise targets your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and core, building strength and stability. Another essential strength exercise is the bench press, which works your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10 reps, with a rest period in between. For the lower body, squats are your best bet. This exercise targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, strengthening your base and improving balance. Try to perform 3 sets of 12 reps, resting for a minute or two between sets. Lastly, we have flexibility exercises. Yoga poses like the downward-facing dog and the warrior pose are great for improving flexibility and balance. Aim to hold each pose for about 30 seconds and repeat them 3 times. Our sample routine also includes rest days. These are just as important as workout days as they allow your muscles to recover and grow. Depending on your fitness level, you might want to start with 2 rest days per week and adjust as necessary. Remember, these exercises are just a starting point. Feel free to adapt the routine to suit your fitness level and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this routine offers a comprehensive approach to exercise that can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Ever wondered what muscles you're really working during these exercises? Well, let's break it down. Our sample routine is designed to engage multiple muscle groups for a comprehensive workout. When you're doing the cardio portion of the routine, you're primarily targeting your heart and lungs, but you're also working your leg muscles, including the quads, hamstrings, and calves. As you move on to strength training, you're engaging a different set of muscles. For instance, when you do push-ups, you're working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Squats, on the other hand, target your quads, glutes, and lower back. The flexibility exercises are all about your core and improving your overall balance. These exercises engage your abs, obliques, and lower back, strengthening the muscles that support your spine and improving your posture. Understanding which muscles are targeted can help you perform these exercises more effectively and see better results. So why should you consider adopting this exercise routine? Well, let's delve into the benefits. This well-rounded routine is designed to enhance your overall fitness, boost muscle strength, and improve flexibility. It's like getting a 3-in-1 deal for your health. But that's not all. With this routine, you're not just following a set regimen, you're also encouraged to make it your own. Yes, you heard it right. Personalization is key. Think about your fitness goals and preferences. Do you want to focus more on strength or flexibility, or maybe you're aiming for cardiovascular endurance? Don't be afraid to tweak the routine to suit your needs. And remember, it's not about going hard all the time, it's about consistency. You can always adjust the intensity, frequency, and duration of the exercises based on your current level and progress. Remember, the best exercise routine is the one that you enjoy and can stick to in the long run. So feel free to make this routine your own. Staying consistent and motivated is a challenge everyone faces when building a fitness routine. But guess what? We've got some tips for you. Firstly, set realistic goals. If you're just starting, don't aim for an hour-long workout every day. Start with smaller, achievable goals and gradually increase them as you progress. Secondly, make a schedule. Consistency is key to seeing results. Plan your workouts just like you would any other important task. Thirdly, keep it fun. Remember how we talked about personalization? Use it to keep your routine enjoyable. Maybe you prefer dancing to traditional cardio, or maybe you enjoy yoga more than weightlifting. Go for it. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Did you manage to stick to your routine for a week? That's fantastic. Reward yourself, but remember to keep it healthy. How about a massage or a new workout outfit? And remember, it's okay to have off days. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or two. The important thing is to get back on track. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and you'll see the results in no time.